How to draw a pretty boy. We are going to start by drawing a slightly wavy line going up and down for the left side of his face. Then we are going to draw a line similar to this one for the right side of his face. Then we will draw a curved line at the bottom connecting each side of his face together. Then on top of his head, in the space that's left there, we are going to start at the left side of the space and draw two small humps. Then connecting the bottom, we are going to draw some zigzag lines going across for the hair. Then in the middle of his face, we are going to draw a big rectangular shape with the corners curved for his nose. Looking awesome! Learn how to draw up crew? Now underneath his nose, we are going to draw a small curved line for his mouth. Then to the left of his nose, we are going to draw a circle for his left eye. Inside of that circle, we are going to draw a curved line for the rest of his eye. And then we will draw his pupil inside of that. For his pupil, we are going to draw a smaller curved line like the one that we just drew inside of it. Then inside of that curved line, we are going to draw a small circle at the top corner. This will be left white and the rest of the pupil will be colored in black. Awesome job! Learn how to draw up crew. We're almost done drawing Pretty Boy's face. Now we are going to draw the right eye the same way that we just drew the left one. Awesome job! Now above each one of his eyes, we are going to draw a rectangular shape with the corners curved for his eyebrows. For the right eyebrow, we are going to draw it a little bit higher so it looks like he's raising his eyebrow. Great job! Learn how to draw Hub Crew. Now we're all done drawing Pretty Boy's face. Now we will start drawing his body. Coming down from the left side of the face, we are going to draw a curved line for the left side of Pretty Boy's body. Then we are going to continue to curve that line towards the right and upwards a little bit. Then from that, we are going to draw a slightly curved diagonal line going upwards for the right arm. And then for the hand, we are going to draw a small bubble letter L-like shape that does not connect at the wrist, instead it goes towards the left for the rest of the arm. Then we are going to draw a V-like shape in the middle of the body that connects to the right arm that we just drew. Then we will draw a smaller V above it in the middle. Then we will draw a small curved line connecting the right side of the small and bigger V shape. Awesome job! That was for his left arm. It looks like he's crossing it with his other one. Now we are just going to draw a small line connecting his arms back to his head. Great job! Learn how to draw Hub Crew. Now we will begin drawing Pretty Boy's legs. For this, we will draw two parallel lines going downwards from the left side of his body. Then we will draw a diagonal line going downwards from one of those lines and draw a few humps for the toes, and then draw a diagonal line connecting it back to the other line for his leg. Awesome job! Now we are going to draw two more parallel lines from the right side of his body for his right leg. Then we will draw his foot similar to the way we drew his other one, but this one will be pointing upwards. Awesome job! Learn how to draw Hub Crew. We're almost done drawing Pretty Boy. For the next step, we are going to draw his ears. First, we will draw his left ear starting at the top of the left of his head and going down to the bottom of the left of his head. This will be in a half circle-like shape and have zigzag lines throughout it for his hair. Great job! Then near the top of his ear, we are going to draw a zigzag line. Then going downwards from the right side of that, we are going to draw another zigzag line. Then we are going to draw a curved line connecting the outside of both of those lines that has a few curves in it. Awesome job! Learn how to draw Hub Crew. I can't wait to see your drawings when they're all finished. Now we are going to draw the right ear the same way that we drew the left one. Awesome job! Learn how to draw Hub Crew. Now for the final step, we are going to draw Pretty Boy's stomach. For this, we are going to draw a curved oval-like shape in the middle of his body. Thanks for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. I'm sure your drawings came out awesome and I can't wait to see them, so make sure to share on Instagram by using hashtag LearnHowToDrawHub. Also, if this video helped you out, give it a big like below and stick around until the very end to see our drawing all colored in. See you next time, Learn How to Draw Hub crew!
Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.